Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most versatile kitchen gadgets out there, the Aesmillion vegetable scissors and food cutter choppers. If you're looking for something that can truly streamline your cooking process, this might just be the perfect addition to your kitchen arsenal. Now, let's talk about why these scissors are creating such a buzz. The Aesmillion vegetable scissors aren't your ordinary kitchen shears. They're designed to be a two-in-one solution, combining the functionality of a sharp scissors with a built-in cutting board. Imagine having the convenience of slicing and dicing veggies or meats without needing a separate cutting board. It's all integrated into these scissors. They're not just for cutting vegetables. You can use them to open lids, scale fish, and even as a lettuce chopper. Perfect for indoor cooking or outdoor picnics and BBQs. Equipped with a safety latch at the back, ensuring safe handling and storage when not in use. Material and design. Made from high-quality stainless steel and eco-friendly PP. These scissors are durable, sharp, and comfortable to use, thanks to their ergonomic design. Let's see them in action. Whether you're prepping a quick salad, cutting up some fruits, or even tackling tougher tasks like trimming meat or poultry, these scissors handle it all with ease. The integrated cutting board feature makes it a breeze to switch between tasks without the need for multiple tools. In conclusion, if you're someone who loves efficiency and wants to simplify your cooking experience, the Aesmillion vegetable scissors and food cutter choppers should definitely be on your radar. They offer versatility, safety, and durability, all in one sleek package. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and kitchen gadget insights. Until next time, happy cooking!